Welcome, I'm Kaylee O'Donnell from the technical documentation team at mscrm-addons. And today I'm going to go over how to set up and configure a DocumentsCorePack online service. Okay, now to start, we need to be on the DocumentsCorePack product page on the mscrm-addons website, which I already have open for us here. I will then scroll down and select Start Free Trial. And on the following page that opens, we'll select Start Configuration. This will open our online service configuration window, as you can see here. And this is where we can change and manage existing services, as well as, of course, adding new ones. Please note that you must be logged into your mscrm-addons account in order to view this window. And if you don't already have an account, you can register for free. Now to add our next service, I'll go to this Add Service button in the upper left-hand corner, and you can select between the DocumentsCorePack or Attachment Extractor service. Please note if this is your first service that you are setting up, DocumentsCorePack will already be selected for you. So I'll go ahead and make my selection. And then next, we need to set up the connection type. I'll be using Office 365 to connect to the Dynamics 365 or Dataverse, but you can also use custom or regular app access. So after making my selection, I'll select Load Environments, and then I'll need to provide my credentials in order to log in. And please note that you must have either System Customizer or System Administrator access in order to set up the service. So I'll go ahead and continue with my login. Okay, so now that I'm all logged in, I can view the available environments here. I am going to choose to select my sales trial environment, so I just select Connect. And then that will go ahead and verify that connection profile. Then I'll be able to view the service details. So we'll just wait a second. Okay, so now that our connection has been verified, we can view our service details. So starting with the service name, this is already set for you, but you can change it as desired. Just keep in mind that once you set the service name, it cannot be changed. Then next up, we have our DocumentsCorePack instance. This is already set to the data center that is closest to your Dynamics 365 instance for the best bandwidth possible. However, you can also change this as well if you would like. Next, you can choose to set up your SharePoint and also choose if you'd like to use a Dynamics 365 integrated SharePoint. In addition, we have these advanced settings that you can expand here to view options such as debugging, specifying a specific SharePoint folder for document generation or setting up a print service, etc. But all these options are detailed in our documentation, so I'll continue with our default setup for now. So once all these are set and good to go, you can select the Create Service button in the bottom right-hand corner, which I'll do now. And then this can always take a few moments to load and finish setting up. So it's a great time to grab a coffee and take a quick break. And I will let that finish loading and then get back to you. Okay, so now we can see that the service has been created successfully. Next, we'll want to go ahead and check the service status. So we can view it here in our service list, and we can see that the status is running. So all is good here. And please note the DocumentsCorePack does come with a standard 14-day free trial. But if you would like to extend that trial at any time, you can always reach out to sales@mscrm-addons.com, and they'll be happy to assist you. You can also, if you purchase an additional license or subscription, that will automatically be applied to your service, so you do not have to create a new one. So next, if we go ahead and click directly on the service, you can go ahead and view an overview of your status, location, your Dataverse URL, all important information here. You can then view further configuration details. It may take a second to load, but you'll be able to view that here. You can also view your license and version info. Power Automate is also a useful feature, and you'll be able to obtain your API key here, which will allow you to utilize CCP in Power Automate, and along with some additional other utilization features that are useful for you here. So then going back, and then once you have your service up and running, you do have access to a list of our pre-configured templates so that you can go ahead with your document generation right away. And I can go ahead and show you a quick sample of how to do that. So first, you would click on your Dataverse URL here, and that will take us to our Dynamics environment, and then we will begin our document generation. Okay, so now I've accessed my Dynamics environment, and I'm going to first select a table. So I'll navigate down to Contacts, and then I'll go ahead and select a record. I'll choose Alexis. Okay, and then as this contact loads, in order to open the DocumentsCorePack dialog, where we can select our template and begin our document generation, we need to select the Create Document button from the command bar. So that might take a second. Okay, so now our templates are here. I'll go ahead and select our Contact Welcome template, which is a very common use case. And then next we'll be able to view our document options, but I'll go ahead and keep mine very simple. We'll just be creating a standard PDF for the moment. Perfect. So then I'll move forward with the Create Document button. And it should pull in the details from that contact into our template that we selected. And we will be able to view a preview of the document in just a moment. Perfect. So then here I'll go ahead and select Preview. And here we go. I can see that the contact information was inserted correctly. Perfect, and all looks good here. So that is an example of one of our pre-configured templates that you will have access to, and I could select finish if I wanted to finish downloading the actual PDF. And if you would like to configure and use your own DocumentsCorePack templates, you can do so with the DocumentsCorePack Template Designer. This is a separate local install Word add-in that allows you to edit, design, and then utilize your own DocumentsCorePack template, and you can do so with that add-in if you would desire. And that covers my brief overview on how to set up and configure a DocumentsCorePack online service. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comment section below. And also make sure to like and subscribe to our channel to avoid missing updates in the future. Thank you.